Hey guys, so I am finishing my decorations. Y'all saw a little bit in the beginning and just now, but I'm just hopping on to say welcome or welcome back to my channel because I did not do that yet. It's your girl Nicole with That's So Nicole, and I'm so happy that you are here. So in today's vlog, we are finishing we're finishing my Christmas decor, and I'm so excited because Christmas decorations just feel so cozy. Like, yeah, I saw my last full vlog video, but the items that I went and shot for, so now I'm actually putting that all together, and I'm so excited how everything is coming out. Like my mirror, oh my god, it's so cute. But anyways, I'm gonna continue and then I'll come back on at the end. So if you're excited to see the results, just keep watching, and if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, let's finish. I was trying to figure out what these things were in the ornament box. When I opened the little paper tree things from Walmart, that's what this is. So it comes like this, and it has a little paper clip to show me that it's magnetic. Oh my god, so these are like little paper ornaments. Look at that, that is so cute. Okay, this is cute. I don't even know where I'm gonna put this, but I don't know. up here. My color's not even blue, but oh, that is so cute. That's cute. I'm back. It's the end of the vlog or the video, and what do y'all think? I am in love, okay? I love the way everything turned out. Everything that I envisioned, it came to life. We brought it to life, so I'm so happy that it did. I have a little bit of other things that I'll probably like add in, but this is it. This is my Christmas decor that I'm doing in my home. I have my hot cocoa because, you know, like I said, I need my hot cocoa before bed. Royal back there chilling. He thought that I made up the sofa for him, but he literally has a new bed underneath the tree, so I don't know when he'll see that. But all in all, I'm happy with the results. Only thing that I noticed that did not go well is that, I don't know, for some reason, one of the strings of lights is not working, which is weird because they're all connected. Like, it's all one. So all the other lights are working on the tree except this one at the bottom. Y'all may notice it, y'all may not. But I wasn't about to go to the store and buy a whole new set of lights just for that little row. Listen, it is what it is. But nonetheless, I'm excited. I will try to link as many things that I can in the video or in my description box. In my previous video, y'all did see where I got the new things that I bought. So you could just reference that video back. But I'll try to put it in the description for this video. But other than that, y'all, my mirror, I'm so glad I added the bows, and then I bought those little command strip clips because it just put the pizzazz to it. Like, oh my God, I'm just looking at it and it's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you have not liked the video already, make sure that you like, make sure that you comment, and make sure that you subscribe if you haven't. For some reason, my numbers keep fluctuating. So it's like 2,000, and then it goes up and then it goes down. I don't know, but whatever it is, I'm appreciative of those who continue to watch, continue to support, and continue to stay around. So I'm appreciative. Thank you so much. And just know that you are loved by me because it means a lot. But until the next video, the next vlog, which is tomorrow. Before I leave, vlog 14 and 15. If y'all didn't notice, I just did that as a YouTube short. So like a reel. Because I'm also, if I didn't mention, I'm also doing 12 days of Vlogmas on TikTok. So if you're not subscribed or not subscribed, if you don't follow me on TikTok, go ahead and do so, please. And then you can see the content that I'm doing over there. It's very similar. Sometimes it'll be the same, sometimes it won't. But I'm doing 12 days of Vlogmas on TikTok. And then over here on YouTube, y'all know I've been posting since December 1st. So yeah, your girl is trying to get in her content bag. And like I said, I want to see what happens if I actually stick with it. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, now this is the end of the vlog. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.